Hey guys, welcome to my scrappiness.
Hey guys, this is Marissa. How are you all?
I hope you're all doing well and are having a good week.
I'm going to be creating a layout, and this is going to be a class layout that by the time you watch this, I have already taught at Henderson, Nevada. And it's going to be a very simple 2-page layout. These are the papers that I am planning to use. The first one is this paper over here with the star. And the other side is this. And I don't know if you can see it. It's like snowflakes. This is a new collection from Echo Park. It's Oh Holy Night. And then this is the star of the layout. So this is, again, this is the front side and this is the back side. So it's a border strip, and we will be using this over here, this over here, this over here, and this one at the bottom. So we may end up using some of the back, but right now I'm still trying to decide what it is. And again, it's a 2-page layout. So we are using some beige colored cardstock. We will only be using 2 templates for this layout. It's McKay Boulevard 3A and 3B. So let's get started. Our templates are transparent, so meaning you can see through and decide where you're going to lay them on. So for this paper, I am planning to take about 1 inch off the top, and then we're going to try to get this star to go under this template. This part of the template, as when we cut it off, will go on the left side, and this here will go on the right side. Let me go ahead and cut off about 1 inch over there. Trimming off 1 inch off the top of this paper. Because this paper is dark here, so what I'm going to do is take the template and trace it at the back. I'm putting the templates together, and I'm going to go ahead and mark where we should cut it later, and then trace this. So it's a 6-inch cut. So I'm going to turn this around, because you know sometimes when you cut the paper, there is a cut thing and it kind of indents the paper going into where it got cut the opposite way. So I'm going to go ahead and do that with this 6 inches and cut. Turn this around and let's get cutting. It's very early in the morning as I'm videotaping this this layout, so you may see some shadows because I have a light over here and I have my overhead light, and then the window over on this side. So hopefully there won't be too much shadow, but at least you can see what I'm doing here. There you go. Let me cut the rest of the borders and we can start tacking this down. What I'm trying to do here is to make sure that this will be the same size as this. So let's see how that works. Okay, perfect. I don't have to cut off any of these words now because I do want the words down at the bottom to become our title. This strip here measures about, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7/8 of an inch. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is see where I can find 7/8 of an inch so that we can use it for the other side. Let's play with this. This is the left side of the page, and this is how I envision it now. We're going to put this on the top. We're going to put this over here. We'll leave about a 1/4 inch on the top. We are going to put this down here.
So this is the left side of the page.
We are going to put two photos over here, one on this side, another photo here, another 4x6 photo standing up like this. Okay, so you can do your journaling down here. So this is the left page. The right page, we will have this on the top. We will have this strip up here so that it kind of continues from the left page. And then here is and the pictures can go straight up here, and we can have a picture here and more journaling down here. So basically this is how I envisioned this layout. This is just suggestions for picture placements. Okay, so let's start inking. Okay guys, so the elements have been inked, so let's tack this down. One thing that I've noticed and learned over the past few months that I have been an Kiwi Lane instructor is sometimes it's easier if you have borders that you need to layer, to start layering them before you put them on the actual base paper. So that's what I'm going to do here. I'm going to layer my borders. I'm gonna start aligning the this border with this border on the other side as best that I can. It's not always gonna be perfect, but you know, the best that you can. Very easy layout. So we're gonna start laying this onto the cardstock. Okay, that's the left page. Again, it's a very simple layout. Here's the right page of our layout, guys. And yeah, it's very simple, very easy layout for all of you. The placements of the pictures can go this way for the 4x6 pictures. And then this one can go vertical. And then another vertical over on this side. And then a horizontal on this side. Title's already up there. Then you can scoot this up. You can put journaling over there. And you can add more journaling on this side. There you guys go. All done. This is our layout. If this is your first time to my channel, hello guys. I hope you're enjoying my channel and the video that you just watched. If you have been watching my videos and haven't yet subscribed, I'd really appreciate it if you would subscribe. And when you do, please click on the bell button to be notified of my uploads every Mondays and Thursdays of every single week. And if you're curious where to buy the products, the information's coming up. If you like this video and you like this layout, please thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, please put them down in the comment section below. And yeah, again, thank you so much, guys. And those who have taken this class, thank you for taking that class. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.